Hi everyone, my name is Jordan. I am the Customer Success Manager here at GoLinks, and today I wanted to walk you through our Google Sheets integration. So if I am on the GoLinks dashboard, I'm going to come over here to the left where it says Integrations. This will take me to our available app integrations. I'm going to scroll down at the bottom and see the one for Google Sheets. If you go ahead and click into that, it will give you some information about this integration that you can now put clickable GoLinks into your Google Sheets. Up at the top, you'll see a button that says Add. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Add, and it will take you to the Google Marketplace. Now, if you have never installed it before, it will show a button to install it. I've installed it already, so I don't have to do anything right now. But if you go ahead and hit Install, it will add that integration into your system. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into a new Google Sheet. Let's say I am on the finance team and I want to put all of the information together that I use for approving time off, approving payroll. I'm going to go ahead and just name this payroll procedure. All right, and then I'm going to add to my GoLinks whatever is relevant to this sheet. So go/payroll. go/PTO, go/timesheet. All right, I have my GoLinks in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit extension. At the bottom of the extension dropdown, you'll see GoLinks for Google Sheets. You can go ahead and come over and hit convert all GoLinks. That will take a couple of seconds, and then it will hyperlink all of those GoLinks now in this sheet. So this is really helpful for if you're working on a project within Google Sheets and you want to include all of the GoLinks that are related to this project. You can go ahead and include them in this sheet, convert all of them to clickable GoLinks, and now you have all of your information in this sheet. You don't have to look other places for where to find this information. Everything is in one location, easy to use. So that is all that I had. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your week.